Let's see what's on today. Ooh, a scary movie. Ah, too scary. Man, I don't know why, but scary movies make me hungry. I'm gonna eat this banana. Gotta peel it first, though. And done. Gonna eat it. Oh! I'm still hungry. Look, a pizza. Oh! I think I want to wear a hat today. Perfect! I think I want this bracelet to go with it. It's really cute. And to tie it all together, I'm gonna add a ring. My favorite ring. Okay, we're in class. Typing. Gotta finish this essay. And enter. Uh-oh, I don't know this math problem. So, 6 times 9 equals 54. We're going after recess. I should probably just put my bracelet and my ring in my bag so I don't lose them. Perfect. Bye from all of us. I don't know if you can see the acupressure ring down there, but it's there.